Robert Diaz, come on, BOA.
Mr. Alley Cat Scratch. We've known BOA a long time. Did a lot of cocaine with this motherfucker. I'm just kidding. I did a lot of cocaine with everybody in here, didn't I? My son's not here, so I can talk about that now. I had a drug problem for a little while. But the only problem was I couldn't afford this shit, right? Fuck, cocaine, a hell of a drug, right? Am I right? And 13-year-old kids, am I right? I have a son, all right? I'm not fucking any 13-year-olds, man. I'm no pedo, motherfuckers. All right, we're gonna do this song with Bo, and I'm gonna shut up because I got a bad mouth.
Let's make some noise for BOA. Come on, man. Come on, people.
Johnny.